Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2025 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, daytime running lights, fog lamps, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, steel wheels, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.